If you're thinking about starting a business in Virginia, maybe you're in Northern Virginia, close to DC, or plugged into the tech scene around Reston or Arlington, chances are you've already heard a dozen different opinions about where and how to form your LLC. And honestly, that just makes things more confusing. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in Virginia step by step in plain English. No legal jargon, no guessing. We'll cover naming your LLC, filing through Virginia's SCC portal, the real costs involved, annual requirements, and one thing about Virginia that people often overlook until it becomes a problem. And stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to get this done without spending hours on state websites or stressing over deadlines. Quick intro if you're new here. I'm Bobby Casey, founder of BusinessAnywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. residents, expats, and digital nomads form U.S. companies 100% remotely. I've seen the smooth setups, the frustrating ones, and the I wish I knew this sooner moments. So let's make sure you avoid those. All right, zooming out for a second, why Virginia? Virginia is a popular state for business owners, especially around Northern Virginia, where you've got a strong tech corridor and a lot of government-adjacent businesses. The LLC formation process is fairly straightforward. The filing is fully online, and while Virginia does have an annual fee, it's predictable and easy to manage if you know about it ahead of time. Here's a quick example. Alex runs a small software consulting business in Northern Virginia. He initially thought about forming in Delaware because that's what he kept hearing online. But once he realized he'd still need to register as a foreign LLC in Virginia and manage 2 states instead of 1, he kept it simple and formed directly in Virginia. 1 state, 1 portal, fewer headaches. All right, let's walk through the actual steps. First up, choosing your LLC name. In Virginia, your LLC name has to be distinguishable from other businesses registered in the state and include LLC, LLC, or limited liability company at the end. Before you get attached to a name, you'll want to search availability through the Virginia State Corporation Commission's business name search. Quick tip here. Also check domain names and trademarks. Just because the state approves a name doesn't automatically mean it's clear everywhere else. All right, next up, your registered agent. Every Virginia LLC is required to have a registered agent with a physical address in Virginia. This is the person or company that receives legal documents and official notices for your business. And no, P.O. boxes don't count. You can be your own registered agent if you live in Virginia, but your address becomes public record. That's why a lot of founders choose a professional registered agent service. It keeps your personal address private and helps make sure nothing important gets missed. Now we're at the step where things become official, filing your articles of organization. In Virginia, this is done online through the State Corporation Commission's Clerk's Information System. The filing fee is $100 and the process is usually pretty quick. When you file, you'll provide your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and organizer details. Once the state approves it, your Virginia LLC legally exists. All right, moving right along. Let's talk about your operating agreement. Virginia doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but you absolutely want one. This document lays out who owns the LLC, how decisions are made, how profits are split, and what happens if something changes later. Even for single-member LLCs, having an operating agreement helps protect your liability status and makes your business look more legitimate to banks and partners. Next up, your EIN. Your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is your business's federal ID number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. The good news is it's completely free and only takes a few minutes to get directly from the IRS website. Once you've got your EIN, you're ready to open a business bank account. And this part really matters. Always keep your business and personal finances separate. Mixing them can weaken your liability protection. Most banks will ask for your articles of organization, EIN, operating agreement, and a valid government-issued ID. If you're not physically in the U.S., you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address for banking and compliance. Not a friend's address, but a real one. All right, now let's talk about taxes and ongoing requirements. Now here's the Virginia-specific detail you don't want to miss. Virginia requires an annual registration fee for LLCs. Every year, you'll need to pay a $50 annual registration fee to the State Corporation Commission. It's due by the end of your LLC's anniversary month, and if you miss it, late fees apply and your LLC can eventually be dissolved. It's simple, but it's one of those deadlines you don't want slipping by unnoticed. If you're thinking, okay, I could do this, but I really don't want to deal with forms, portals, and deadlines, that's exactly why we built Business Anywhere. We'll form your Virginia LLC for free. You only pay the $100 state filing fee. We include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost, help with your EIN and operating agreement, send compliance reminders, and even provide a legitimate U.S. business address if you need one. So if you want the simple, done-for-you setup, check out Business Anywhere. The link's in the description. And before you go, let me know in the comments. Are you forming your LLC in Virginia or comparing Virginia with another state like Maryland or North Carolina? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.